Look at this whale. All right, people, I'm gonna show you how to make $5,000 a month selling on Amazon. I'll put it on the screen. Screenshots right there. It's today's day. It's not that hard. You can do it. By the way, I didn't go to college. I didn't do any of that crap. I read some books, watched some videos. See, I can't even talk, right? Some videos, and just started acting. This is your year. Okay, this is your year. It's still early. Don't forget, you know, it's only March and you're alive. Okay, let's get into today's video. I'm just gonna walk you through step by step how I would do it. I really like patio lawn garden. Good time of year to sell in patio lawn garden. A little late, actually. You would have wanted to launch probably in the winter, get up and running, but those are good categories right there, right? And we're in opportunity. Let's actually change that up. Product research, product database. Jungle Scout is fire. I started using them in 2020. By the way, sick affiliate deal. I mean, 20% off annual, ends up being $40 a month. It's a really good deal. It's almost half off. And then 10% off on the monthly. You get this for $71 a month. So you can, I would recommend doing this. Use my link in the description, by the way. If you're going to do it anyway, I appreciate if you use my link. It helps me out a lot. And go start this part, because you can do this tonight. Like, you're at work. I know you're at work on your lunch break. Go get Jungle Scout. You could do it now, sign in later, and start doing product research. It is the, I got like a little like, there we go. Start doing product research, man. I say man, my audience is like 96% men, literally. Okay, so I'm gonna say that. Standard, we're gonna go price, throw it up to 19, 39, I'll go 41 even. $19 to $41. You find a product that does $19 to $41. Competitors are doing $13K to $40K. In the reviews, max reviews 470. It's like how many reviews my product has, the one I put on the screen. Okay, search. I mean, that's it. That's it. We're gonna start right there. Jade plant sells 25 grand a month. A live plants, if you can figure out how to sell live plants on Amazon, you've got something, my friend. By the way, have you ever gone to freaking Instagram and seen the live plant game? Oh my God, it is like, people are crazy about plants, okay? There's one, I mean, seriously, this is not even gonna be FBA because they can't FBA these. So this is actually shipped by merchant. It's got 8 ratings. They're doing 25K a month with 2 pictures on a live plant. Go start a live plant business, okay? It's not financial advice, by the way. I'm just a guy on the internet. Mycology basics. Gypsum for mushrooms. Okay, open that one up too. And I mean, see what I'm saying? You get Jungle Scout, man, and it's over. You're just finding products left and right. I mean, we could stop there. Okay, so there you go. Step 1 is done. Live plant business and mycology. Now we go all departments, put in the search term. Okay, that's like the general field. Entangled life. Come on. Okay. There's the market. 10K sold, 7K sold, 10K sold, 1K sold, and you bet none of them are, some of them are at this point actually, using the next step of the strategy I was going to talk about, but you can go, this is not a great example. This is actually kind of a cool market. The live plant one, oh, come on, jade plant. It's gonna, like, you're gonna laugh when you see it. Jade plant. Yeah, I mean, we're talking about gardeners out there. Live plants on Amazon. It goes crazy. And people don't care that it's not shipped by Prime. It can't be shipped by Prime. So you're not at a disadvantage there. Maybe some of you out there watching this are gardeners. You'd be interested in that. in the sense, like, if you don't want to sell a live plant business, and like, I like utilizing FBA. Okay. So I know sometimes I get hyped up over product ideas and like, just go do that. I wouldn't even do it. Right. Yes. Is it an opportunity? Yes. But we kind of want to make like easy money. You know what I mean? Like, you want to take the path of least resistance, like every animal in nature. It's how you have a good life. It's like the opposite advice of almost everyone on the internet right now. Do what feels natural. So, like, you don't want to be packing plants every day. This you could sell on Amazon. Herb garden planter kit. Or the hanging planters. That one's a little subjective. I used to sell a macrame shelf. Some of you will remember that. Some true Paul J. Savage OG subscribers will remember that. I documented case study, proved that you can make money with private label live over 3 years ago now. I was posting the product, the PPC spend, the profit, the sales, the supplier, everything. I learned my lesson. That one went pretty poorly, actually. As soon as I started telling people what I was selling, well, the market blew up, so a lot of people just straight up tried to sell what I was selling. And then a lot of people were clicking on my ads. I have the before and after of the spend in my mind. It's like, okay, that product's dead for ad spend. So yeah, so occasionally people are like, why don't you show what you sell? It doesn't benefit me at all. That's why. It benefits you. Okay. So you'll notice a lot of this game is kind of just like, you could put some music on. You could go, listen to a podcast while you're doing this. Usually what I'd be doing. Now, straight up, I don't do a lot of product research right now. My time is more spent on the things I'm going to be showing you later. But the kind of product that I'm looking for, easy to manufacture, boring market, like pumice, horticultural pumice. Come on. Now this happens to be a single ingredient product. Those tend to be a little bit harder to kick butt with. But if you can win on the cost of goods here, like if you can just straight up be profitable selling 12 quarts of I said hummus. Oh my God. Could you imagine 12 quarts of hummus? Pumice. Different sizes. You just make a better listing. You just straight up make a better product. Like, the product can be the same. You win with the listing. And then go do what I'm going to tell you after. Okay. Speaking of that, check this out. 3D render me a... Oh, I'm going to botch it, but it'll know. With a brand style of boho farmer. Ready? Check this out. No, I'm not going to cut me out of the video drinking my coffee while I'm waiting for it to load. Boho Farmer. So I did say that maybe that's the name. That's a funny brand name, Boho Farmer. Horticultural pumice. Okay, check out what happens when we go and search for horticultural pumice. Come on. 500 bought this month. $33. They didn't even cut it out. You take the picture on a white background, you didn't even cut it out. The iPhone does that for you now. 12 grand? Why aren't you guys doing this? This is ridiculous. You see what I'm saying? Come on. Does any product in the market, I know it's a single ingredient market. Yes. whatever. You can't change the product. Nothing there looks like something I want to buy. Do you realize that? If you can sell 14 dry quarts for $33.99 with a local US manufacturer and be profitable, you can kick ass there, okay? Charge $34.99 for all I care. Myco, Jade Live Plants. It's crazy. Okay, now I'm gonna move on. Go sign up for TikTok Shop. Here's your homework. Sign up for Jungle Scout. Start selling on Amazon. Sign up for TikTok Shop. There you go. And then you just watch my videos and copy exactly what I'm doing every day, because I make videos every day, so you should subscribe. You can just look for people, find creators that already want to sell products. This is not like finding creators for, I've tried it the hard way. Instagram, you go out there, you try and make organic connections. And it does work. I shipped out samples to people, they made videos about it. It does okay. But it's not like this. You can't just infinitely search thousands of creators that already, the system shows you how much money they make. The system shows you how much money they make selling. TikTok does not hide anything. They're not like Amazon. Amazon would never show you this information. The top 5 locations of their followers. The items that they sold. How well they're doing. They're selling like 50 units a day. This old guy from where? It doesn't matter where he's from. I wouldn't be surprised they had his address right here. But you can invite him to your program. Invite. You can see I've used 62 out of 1,000. I just started doing this 2 days ago. 2 days ago. I sent out 62 of them. I've got 4 samples going out, already shipped to influencers collectively with more than 200,000 followers. Do you know how long that would have taken me? With like the old Instagram method. Like, this is going to revolutionize selling a physical product. So make a badass brand selling a boring ass product where no one else is doing that, and then go get 1,000 people to make a video about it for you, and they make money too. You set their commission rate. When you hit this little invite thing, yeah, you create an invite. They make content for you, and you can make content for you, and you can use PPC. It's insane. It's truly insane. I don't know why you're not doing this. Please start doing this if you want to. Okay? A little bit of an aggro attitude out of me today, but that's what you're getting. We're coming at you with where I'm really coming from. And maybe it's because I'm drinking coffee. I'll see you tomorrow.